Welcome! My name is Idan and this is the Mars Lander 3. It's a Bitcoin miner for your desk with a full node and a Bitaxe in one device with touchscreen. It's the first ever device of its kind in the world. Designed here in California with the team at bitcoinmerch.com. Let's talk about what is a full node. A full node runs the full Bitcoin algorithm in the device. It needs 2 terabytes of SSD in order to store all the transactions ever made on the Bitcoin network. And that's a full node. Now, if you own a full node and you mine Bitcoin and you find a block, you get 0 fees because it's your pool. You're becoming your own pool, which means you can target all your machines to the full node, all your mining machines for Bitcoin, and then if you hit a block, it's all yours with no fees to anybody else. People like having their own full node because it's their control, they're not relying on pool, and then that way they can get the full amount of Bitcoin themselves. Plus, it's really fun to be part of the network, make Bitcoin more diversified in your home. Let me show you what first comes in the box. You get, of course, the Mars Lander 3. It has a nice clear case where you can see the Bitaxe and all the components inside, and it also has lights built in. You're also going to receive the power supply. It uses a Type-C, and it doesn't take much power, so you don't have to worry about your bill going up or something like that. It's a very small amount of power, maybe like a few LED bulbs. It also comes with a remote control to control the lights in the Mars Lander 3. For the setup, the first thing we have to do is install the power to the wall. Okay, the first thing you have to do is make sure you have a smartphone or a computer. And now we're gonna turn on the Mars Lander 3 by plugging it in. Give it a few minutes to turn on. And the first thing we're gonna do is set up the Bitaxe inside. Then we set up the full node. You can see inside the screen, the Wi-Fi is ready. Here is Bitaxe B055. Make sure you save your Bitcoin address before you do this, so you can just paste it into the wallet in the Bitaxe. That will be the payout address when you find a block. So that's very, very important step. So make sure you have your Bitcoin address saved, copied before you take the next step. And automatically it will pop up the setup page. Now that it shows up here, you're gonna click on the search, you're gonna wait a little bit, and you're gonna choose your 2G network in your house. Then change the password, hit save, and restart. Now, just simply look inside the screen of the Bitaxe for the IP address. Remember, save your Bitcoin address before you start. Just copy it. And simply go to any browser that connects to the same Wi-Fi and type the IP address in there. It's 192.168.0.40. Yours might be different. Now click on the pool, change the Bitcoin address to yours. It's very, very important, so you get paid if you find a block. Now, simply go down, click save. Now that we set up the Bitaxe, the next step is to set up the full node. Simply go to settings over here for Wi-Fi, click on scan, and put your password in. Now that we're connected, you see we got an IP address. When you go back to the homepage, you'll see syncing 0%. You're gonna wait until the syncing is gonna be 100%. This might take a few days, so we're gonna go back once it's in there. Now that our full node is fully synced, we can see the total hash rate at 1.15 terahashes. The next page shows you all the Bitaxe stats. Hash rate, ASIC temperature, RPM of the fan, how much watts it consumes, and efficiency. Also, you can choose your mode. You have eco mode, balance mode, and turbo. I put turbo, but you can experiment to see which one you like more. If you put echo, your fan speed will be a little bit lower and you can reduce the sound, the amount of noise you get if you put it really next to you or on your desk. Again, this is the Wi-Fi if you want to change the Wi-Fi or if you change the location. Over here, you control the node. If you have any issues with the node or the pool, you can go ahead and restart it, as well as to grab your solo pool address. So ml3.local port address of 3333 will be your address to point any other Bitcoin miners that you have to your pool. Also in the settings page, if you don't like the video that shows up on the Mars Lander 3, you can turn it off. You can also restart and also factory reset if you have any issues. And the homepage, of course, shows you the live Bitcoin price. And here is the video. Again, if you don't like it, you can also turn it off. It's just a fun video that I put just to remind you that Bitcoin is fun. We're going to the moon and you know, it's kind of cool. Let me show you the LED control. You will get a remote control to be able to control the lights. And using the remote, you can simply change different colors, which let you light up the mood. And there's many different types of lights you can choose from. Just pick and choose however you want. This remote is custom made for the Mars Lander 3 with the little Bitcoin logo, which I really like. And this is the Mars Lander 3, your first Bitaxe built-in with a touchscreen, with a full node, 2 TB of SSD, and anything you need to start mining, but also running your full node. Plus, you can see the live Bitcoin price. Connect all your Bitcoin miners to the same node to increase your chances. Get yours today only at bitcoinmerch.com, also available on Amazon and Best Buy. I left a link below if you want to grab one, or simply search Mars Lander 3 Solo Bitcoin Miner. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment below what do you think about this miner, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.